Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on your Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if I go ahead and open up my Play Store, you can see my font size has been set to this. And if I go do a search, type in app, you'll see it's set to this size. And if I want to go ahead and make this larger, what I need to do is to head back, click onto settings. From here, we'll be brought to our settings inside our phone. Now scroll down and look for display. Scroll down again and click onto font size and style. And at the bottom of the page here, you'll see a scroller where it says font size. So left and right. So left will make the font smaller and right will make the font larger. So go ahead and play around what size of font you want. So I want to keep it, say, the third largest. And now I'm going to head back to my Play Store. And you'll see my app on my Google Play Store font has been increased. So if I go back, if I go to games, you can see everywhere in the Play Store has been increased. The font size has been increased.